Very windy today, and the trees are blowing in the wind very strongly. Right now it's calm, but we'll get a nice big burst. Here it comes. Nice big burst of wind blowing through my trees. I have 3 large trees in my backyard. If you can see, there's 1, 2, 3 trees. I love my trees. And they're so green. There's Keith's treehouse from when he was a little boy. I guess you could say I'm kind of bored. That's my umbrella. It's not old. Greenhouse. There's my bird feeder. There's the windy wind blowing my trees away. Hopefully I'll get a bird to meet my feeder. There's the wind blowing my trees. Nice wind. So breezy. There's my bird feeder. Hopefully I'll get a bird to come eat while I'm filming. Looks like I might get one. I think I saw one fly over. That's how windy it is today in my backyard.